International law cast aside. Trump's claim that only his own morality limits power. President Donald Trump said his authority as commander-in-chief is restrained only by his own morality, dismissing international law as a binding limit. In an interview with the New York Times, he argued that he alone decides when international rules apply to the United States. He framed national strength, not treaties or conventions, as the decisive factor when global powers collide. While acknowledging some domestic constraints, he has pursued a maximalist strategy of punishing institutions and exacting retribution against opponents. Trump emphasized unpredictability and a readiness to use military force as tools of coercive diplomacy. A tense call with Colombia's president underscored regional anxiety after threats following U.S. action in Venezuela. Hours earlier, Trump and Secretary of State Marco Rubio withdrew the United States from dozens of international organizations. He cited strikes on Iran, the swift decapitation of Venezuela's government, and renewed interest in Greenland as successes. Asked to choose between Greenland and NATO, he implied the alliance is ineffective without the United States. He dismissed post-war norms as burdens, while rejecting the idea that Xi Jinping or Vladimir Putin could act similarly. Trump argued that ownership of Greenland matters more than leases or treaties for strategic success. He portrayed borders and sovereignty as secondary to America's role as protector of the West. On arms control, he appeared unconcerned about the expiration of the last nuclear agreement with Russia. Trump insisted any future deal must include China, whose arsenal is growing fastest. Domestically, he suggested judges can limit him only under certain circumstances, while exploring workarounds. Overall, the interview revealed a vision of power bounded not by law, but by the president's own judgment.